Hi, I'm Glenys and welcome to Car Candy, where we manufacture all products for your sweet ride. Come visit our retail store located in Lakeland, Florida from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. and you can just walk in anytime. We offer all detailing products from soaps, star dressing, wall cleaners, interior detail, wax, compounds, and accessories. We also are Aruba's distributors and we offer their polisher, pads, and compounds, and we are happy to announce that we are carrying the 𝗙𝗹𝗋 new polisher, the 𝗀𝗍 𝗀𝗏 DB8, and for our local detailers, we offer RO Water, best known as Water Spot Free. And if you are not local and you want to learn about our products, go to our website carcandy.com or find us on social media, Car Candy Detail Products. I hope to see you soon.